So this is the third lesson on ratio, the difference between, it's always a very popular one for examiners to give, and on the 13 plus ICB paper, it's nearly always the last question on ratio that they ask you. So what does it look like? Here we've got an example from Corbett Maths. In a survey, the ratio of the number of people who preferred tea to those who preferred coffee was 3 to 9. Step 1, write down the original ratio. 3 to 9, and the total is 12. Label it. Tea to coffee equals the total. 48 more people preferred tea to coffee. So here's the key word, more. 48 more people preferred tea to coffee. We currently do not have a column for this. If you look, how many more people prefer coffee to tea in the original ratio? Well, that's 6. And that's the difference between tea and coffee. So what we need to do is set out a difference column. I often just draw a line like that. Difference, and the difference is 6. And that's my original difference from my original ratio. And we know in the question, in reality, 48 more people preferred tea to coffee. And what I've just noticed is actually these two are the way around. It's how many more people prefer coffee to tea. So 48 more people prefer coffee to tea. Now this 48 is our new difference. So we put 48 here. Next step, calculate the multiplier. How many 6's go into 48? 8. And that's our multiplier. So then we times 3 by 8 and we get 24. 9 by 8 and we get 72. We'll do the total. 12 times 8, 96. 24 plus 72 equals 96. Correct. Is the difference 48? 72 minus 24 is 48. So it works. Lastly, just go back to the question and check what they're actually asking for. How many people were in the survey? So that is our total. So we're looking here, and so our answer is 96 people in total. What does it look like in the 13 plus paper? Well, here I have the 13 plus paper I've been going through in my other videos. First one was one given value, second one was the total, and this third one is going to be our difference. On Wednesday, Robert received 6 more conkers than Stefan, and there's our more word, and that means difference. How many conkers by Robert, Stefan, and Tim share all together on Wednesday? First thing you do, write the original ratio, which is all the way up here. 5 to 3 to 4. Label it Robert to Stefan and Tim, and that equals the total. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 4 is 12. We've already done that above, so actually very easy for us to do. And it's more than, so we need a difference column. A line. And it's difference between Robert and Stefan. So this is the one more difficult thing than in the Corbett Maths exercise. You've got 3 ratios. It's only 2 of them that you need to worry about. Robert and Stefan. So Robert to Stefan, the difference here is 2. So we do there. How many conkers do Robert, Stefan and Tim share all together on Wednesday? Well, on Wednesday, the difference is actually going to be 6. So we write it in there. We work out our multiplier. Not too difficult. Times 3. Times everything by 3. And we get 15 to 9. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 3, 36. Does it add up? 15 add 9 is 24. Add 12, 36. Yes, it does. How many conkers do Robert, Stefan and Tim share all together? That's our total. So the answer is 36. And you get 1 mark for the multiplier. And you get 1 mark for the 36.